Thank you for subscribing to NutriLiv, the evidence-based nutrition app. This video walks you through all of the screens in the Settings menu in the NutriLiv app. To access the Settings menu, select the image you saved to your profile in the upper left of the screen, or by selecting the Settings icon on the menu bar. Using the Edit Profile section, you can modify your saved name and profile image shown in the app. Next is the NutriPoints goal screen. This is where you can edit your daily NutriPoints goal. Data sharing and communication provides an easy way for you to turn on or off notifications and data sharing. Push notifications will be sent in the afternoon each day if you have not logged an item for that day. Email notifications are used to inform you of upcoming features that will be added to the app, as well as other information that may help you reach your wellness goals. We take maintaining your data privacy seriously. That is why we restrict our data records to collecting only information that is necessary for the app to function and data that will help us efficiently spread the word about the benefits of NutriLiv. Permitting us to share small amounts of data with third parties helps us understand the most efficient way of telling the people of the world about NutriLiv. Selecting Subscription will navigate you to the screen on your device where you can view your NutriLiv subscription level, as well as change or cancel the subscription. Change Password will enable you to change the password if your account is authenticated through the application. Selecting Help Videos will navigate you to our webpage that maintains the library of training videos for the NutriLiv app. If you experience issues with the NutriLiv app, you can access the Report Issue screen to notify us of the problem you found. The reported issue will be sent directly to our support team, who will review the described problem and take action. If you have an idea that will benefit the NutriLiv community, we would love for you to share it with us. Please submit recommendations using the screen in the Settings menu. Users are encouraged to stay up to date on how we protect and handle your data by reviewing our privacy policy. Additionally, the Terms and Conditions explains the extent of our service obligations and your rights relating to the use of the NutriLiv services. Finally, all users are free to request a report of their personal data that we maintain relating to the use of NutriLiv. We also give you the ability to request deletion of your personal data maintained by the NutriLiv app. Please take a look at other NutriLiv training videos to ensure you're getting the most out of the app. We hope you live long and